VidCon here, and today we are going to the Nature and Science Museum. It's close to us. I'm not exactly sure how close it is to us. I'm putting you guys in the shade so you don't brighten up, so I can't see what I'm doing. So that's where I'm going up to. We're heading there.
Why don't you tell them why we picked the Nature and Science Museum today? Is what you watched yesterday or this morning?
We watched a lot of Brain Scoop, and we're going to the museum to see if we can see anything that's related to what we learned on Brain Scoop.
And what's Brain Scoop?
It is an educational channel like John and Hank Green's channel. It's an educational type channel, and it teaches a lot. So I will see you at the Nature and Science Museum. I'm back. I'm inside the museum now. That raptor is talking. It's not talking. It's moving. They're moving. I don't know why they're moving, but they're moving. So much noise in the background. Okay, this is gonna drive me insane. So, see you guys at the next part. Yeah, I gotta move too.
What's happening behind this wall? We're at a 5-story education and corrections facility.
Back for the dinosaurs. Now can we go up the escalator? The dinosaurs are jumping pretty.
Sure.
My dinosaur. The dinosaur, I don't know what kind it is. It's a dinosaur. The dinosaur actually came out. It's awesome. Okay, I'm going to see you at the next part because I'm going to go. Ah! It's okay. Oh, stop.
You think he's a herbivore?
I think it's a duckbill. I think that's a duckbill. I think it's a duckbill.
A what?
Duckbill.
Oh, a duckbill.
He can eat me. Eat me. I got nice. This is a really big walrus with an elephant nose. And there's penguins. And ducks. Seals there too. This is the first thing we wanted to do is the sky turret. Very pretty. The spray gun over there is on. I don't know if it may be a bonus thing at the end of the episode. I'm not sure. So we got up here the beautiful sky turret. That's the spray gun right there. See all the water shooting up? That's the spray gun. And the tree and the lake. Pretty. I do not want to go over there because I am personally afraid of heights. If you don't know that already. There is Denver up there. You can see Denver. Look at that cool hotel. Look at it. That's a cool hotel or house or whatever it is. By the way. So next we are going to the diorama. See you there in 5 seconds. Boom. Okay, I'm back is my favorite part of the dioramas, the llama. Llamas, diorama statues, things like that. But, demo, but, I just like to ride them. I don't care, I just ride them. I like them. I'm not fuzzy. That one's funny though, and that one's funny. There are little fuzzy llamas, and there's the big llamas that are wood. So this is my favorite part of the diorama. To my second favorite part of the park. To my the other part to the right. Go llama go! So these lions is an example of what they're doing at Brain Scoop with a wolf that got hit by a car. He was big. He may have been an alpha. So they got the dead wolf and they skinned him, and they may be making a mold and putting him like the lions in here. It's sad that he died, but at least other people will see wolves and see how likable they are, even though they're thought to be evil and bad. Our museum has a bunch of secrets in it, and this is one. It's a butterfly that flaps wings. It's one of a kind in this museum. There are other secrets that you guys can see as well. Look at the spotted butterfly. Look at the spotted butterfly. So that is one of the secrets of our museum. Bye. Okay, this is the second secret of our museum. There is a gnome thing going on. There is a gnome in quite a few exhibits, and there's one here. It's a test to see if you can see them. You can see his outfit. So, we are at the wolves, and the wolves that they're gutting or whatever right now may be over, may be right here. It may be sent to there. So this is wolves. They, this is one of my favorite parts of the museum because wolves. We have found him. Yeah. This is the second LC person. And he is over there. Show you.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, see? I don't see him. See? Wait, don't tell me. Okay, I'll... He's in there somewhere. Yeah.
So that is the third secret of the museum. Okay, this is the fourth and last secret of the museum we are showing. So you see this dinosaur right here? He's riding it. He is a dinosaur rider. Yep, there he is. So that is the fourth secret of the museum and the last one we are showing. Alright, I am back, and today we have seen the four secrets of the museum. The giant T-Rex that you're about to see right now. And you saw a basic, you saw the doors, and the flapping winged butterfly. You saw quite a lot here today. I'm glad you guys got to come with me through this museum. I'll see you tomorrow.